Let me show you how to match color easily in Photoshop. You can download the images in the description down below to follow along. Open your image in Photoshop and choose Object Selection tool. Zoom in and draw a rough selection around the shirt. Next, select the Quick Selection tool and adjust the selection if needed. Add a gradient map adjustment layer. Make sure to select the layer's thumbnail and not the layer mask. Double-click on the gradient. Double-click on the paint bucket. Sample the darkest color from the trousers. Double-click on the paint bucket. Sample a lighter color from the trousers. Change the blending mode to multiply or linear burn. Lower the opacity if needed. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also, check out other videos on my channel. Thank you for your support.